Hello. In this video, we are looking at laboratory activity number 6, which is automatic street light using an LDR and a relay. The main goal of this circuit is simple. When it's bright outside, the street light should stay off. When it gets dark, the light should stay automatically on. Bef- Before showing how it works, I am going to show you the components I use in this circuit. First is the 9V battery. Next is the 10 key ohms resistor and the 220 ohms resistor and the LED. Next is the Zener diode. Next is the light bulb and lastly the three main components of this circuit. First, we have the LDR. This is our sensor that detects light intensity. Next is the transistor. This acts as our electronic switch. Finally, we have the relay. This is a magnetic switch that safely controls the high power light bulb. Now I'm going to show you how this works. I am going to start simulation. This is light because it is dark, but firstly I am going to show you the scenario 1 when it is bright outside. Now, when bright light hits the LDR, its resistance becomes very low. Because the resistance is so low, the electricity takes the easiest path and flows straight through the LDR to the ground. This means no electricity reaches the base of our transistor. Since the transistor gets no signal, it stays off. The relay stays open and the light bulb remains off. Now I'm going to slide it and see what happens when it gets dark. When it's dark, the LGR's resistance becomes incredibly high. It completely blocks the electricity from going straight to the ground. Because that path is blocked, the electricity is forced to flow into the base of our transistors instead. This turns the transistors on. Once the transistors turns on, it activates the relay. You'll hear the relay click close completely the circuit for our light bulb, and the bulb turns on. And that is how an LDR, a transistor, and a relay work together, our three main components, to create an automatic street light. And that's it for this tutorial.